The NHT Academy is located in the heart of the tourist capital of Turkey, Istanbul. It is one of the most qualified private academies that provides accredited certification to trainees in the field of hair restoration.
NHT Academy is dedicated to providing high-quality education and some special training programs to medical professionals who want to update their knowledge or aim to enter the hair transplants field for the very first time. Our programs depend on the expectation, the background, and also the aims of our candidates. By training doctors from different countries, we are not only making of them experts and specialists, but also improving the hair transplant field and making it grow, especially that our programs are based on teaching with the cutting-edge technologies and the latest techniques in the field.
Trainees from all around the world have the chance to receive a share of years of experience from hair transplant surgeons through real patients.
Of course, it's going to be the accredited training. We're talking about a certification that can take someone from zero to expert, that is viable all around the world and is going to take a person's career one step forward. In a world where hair restoration is becoming the rising sector, this training is going to help the person be up to speed with that sector itself.
After the training comes to an end, in order to ensure graduated trainees can conduct their own operations in their centers, follow-ups are provided. Wherever the trainees live or work, NHT Academy consultants respond to their inquiries in case they face any difficulties or complications.
They should prefer it because they have a unique chance of doing something that is actually quite rare, and that is working on real patients. This is going to give them experience that is beyond any theoretical that they're going to get anywhere else. This is all done for an extremely reasonable price and in an extremely reasonable amount of time.
NHT Akademi olarak 10 yıldan beri saç ekim deneyimi bulunan doktor ve asistanlarımızla 5 yıldan beri dünyanın dört bir yanından gelen doktor ve asistanlara saç ekim eğitimi vermekteyiz. Ayrıca saç ekimiyle ilgili bu 5 yıllık deneyimimizin yanı sıra dünyada saç ekimiyle ilgili gelişen teknolojileri, son çıkan yenilikleri takip etmekte, ayrıca kendimiz saç ekimiyle ilgili yenilikler araştırmakta ve bunları gelen öğrencilerimizle paylaşmaktayız. Saç ekimi eğitimi için NHT Akademi'yi tercih eden doktor ve asistanlarımıza saç ekiminin inceliklerinden ince ayrıntısına kadar öğretmekteyiz. Saç ekimi eğitimi sırasında saç ekiminde kullanılan son teknolojileri kullanmakta ve bu saç ekimi eğitimlerini birebir hasta ile ve hastanın başında, canlı hastalarda ve birebir doktor eşliğinde yapmaktayız. Yani bize eğitim için gelen doktor ve asistanlarımız gerçek hastalarla, gerçek saç alımları ve gerçek saç ekimlerini yanında profesyonel doktorlar vasıtasıyla birebir eğitimlerle almaktadırlar.
The sum of this experience equips medical professionals with the necessary theory and practical techniques they require to be able to carry out a full operation from start to finish with confidence and maximum support.